disassemble an old confuser in the best way possible, which involves this. Keep going, shall we? Some nice plastic. There we go. Take the fuse off. Yeah. There it goes. Disk drives. Let's get those out. That one may be stuck now. No disc here. Is there a disc in this one? Nope. No disc. That's good. That's good news. I think what my module is. Plastic. Yes. And get the fan out of there. That's, oh look, there's the important part. Yep, the processor. There it is. Capacitors, oh, those are dangerous. That stuff. What else can we get out? Power supply? That may need a bigger hammer. Hold on. Oh yeah, look at those healthy parts inside. Ooh. Ooh, I want to get this hard drive the rest of the way out. There it is. Yep. Now, time for these there's dons on the hard drive here. Disassembling the case. Get that pesky bottom out of the way. Alright, pesky top off. Ooh, I'm beating up the hammer pretty good here. And the head's coming off. Get a new handle on that one. In the meantime, different plan of attack. And for a claw hammer. There's the power supply. Yeah, the important parts. The important pieces are right here. That's good. That's from a cut. Come on, let's separate that. There's motherboard stuff. Yep. Alright, get that away from there. Pesky part out of the way. Power supply. It was good. I think. Oops. Broke stuff in the tripod's moving. Look at that. Alright. Let's see what else can we get out of here. So, pesky connectors. Those are still good. Yep. These ram rails, ram slides, IDE cable connectors, those are still, oh, what is this? Still good? Yep, that's even better now. I don't know what that was. Oh, let's get this front up here. Let's see, I don't know what that connector's for, that's still good. We should reassemble this, yep. Some little LEDs and a couple PCIe connectors. Oh yeah, what's going on up here? Oh, this is still right here. That lid, there we go. Oh, there it is. All right, we still haven't managed to get these out. Let's try for that next. Come out in one way or another. Oh yeah. Oh, Zippo fluid. Gotta love it. That stuff's good for a computer. So is Arctic Freeze. Come on, old Dell. What's wrong with you? You can't let go of your CD drive? I'll show you. Ah, there it is. Yeah, we're getting there. She's almost disassembled. Should we get this board off of here? Let's see what little brute force with that. Separate for, you know, purposeful reasons, these materials. Oh, yes. Come on. I can feel it wanting to get loose. It's coming off now. Here we go. Gosh, that is actually pretty well connected. I don't know what they made these screws out of. Oh, bending the case. Man, that's not good. I might not be able to reassemble that now. Oh well. Alright, there we go. We finally got that off the metal. That's disassembled. Let's get this now. We gotta get these disk drives out somehow. Try to keep them nice for the next person who wants to see what is going on here. Why are there still, what is this? Oh, that's a little bit not nice of it. Get out of there. This is my zone. get these drives out of the case. Where the case is. Still, oh, there we go. Case. Drive. Hold on, there's still case attached to drive here. I'll get that out. There we go. Drive, case. All right. Let's drive. And attach the part of this. That's good enough. All right, we have one disassembled computer. You want some testament to the quality of old hard drives, and likely modern ones as well? Remember that I just beat the snot out of a whole computer, including the hard drive, with a hammer. And I actually broke these screws loose with a chisel. And, you know, the neodymium magnets are shot, the electronics are gone inside, but those are some good bearings. I mean, the disc is all bent out of whack, but the bearings are still good. If it wasn't for that disc being screwed up, I bet if I took that apart the right way, it would, it was still spinning. See? There we go. The bearing is good. The disc is bent. Stuff's getting caught. You hear things rattling in there, but it's, that's amazing that this is still just, like, free spinning like that. That's just crazy to me. All that paper's not part of the computer, but everything else is. Look at this mess. Okay, the string's not here, but everything else is. The string's also not here. What is stuck to my shoe? Plastic. Hey, the RAM sticks still look good. Surprised those survived without getting broken in half in two. Big old capacitor. Gotta be careful with these things. Those two prongs on the end there, if there's any charge in it, good way to get zapped. And zapped hard. Those things stop your heart if you ain't careful.